He Honore, he kororia ki te Atua, he Maungarongo ki te whenua, he Whakaraaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. Glory to God in the highest, peace on earth and goodwill to all people. I think that we all have the language of prayer in our hearts. It's in the mode of who we are, is to lift up karakia. It's who we are. I get up at 6 o'clock most days to go walking for an hour, and that's my sacred space, that beach. And you know, when I was going through a bit of a tough time, that was my salvation. That was where I could karakia my way out of some tough situations I was still going through. That was the place that I could pour out my heart, knowing that those words weren't just going into space, but they were being heard by the ears of a loving Father, a loving God. I would say it's just about reconnecting with something that your wairua was always created for anyway. There's a scripture in the book of Psalms, Psalm 139, and it talks about us being formed in our mother's womb and how He knit us together. And so with that knitting comes the DNA of wairua, which He connects to us and we connect to Him. And I think it's as simple as going, "Here I am, God." As simple as that.